Okay, class, today is our last day of school. Enjoy your summer break. Hold the white there, dog, cat, monster, tiger. You have been very bad at this school. That's it. You will go to summer school. I use you come back here at June in 22. What teacher? Are you kidding me? I want to have a summer break. I don't want to come back to school at June 22nd. I hate you. Dog cat monster tiger. Stop it right now. You are not staying home for a month. You are coming back here at June 22nd. That's final. Now stop giving me a bad attitude. I have school out for 2 weeks. One teacher. I don't want to be out of school for 2 weeks. I want it out for 4 weeks. Dog cat monster tiger. You'll be very happy you have 2 weeks off for school. Miss Jill, stop lying to me. I said I wanted for 2 months. You stupid, ugly, horrible teacher. Oh. That cat monster tiger. How did you call me stupid, ugly, horrible teacher? That's it. Office. Now. So that cat was a tiger. What brings she here today? My teacher said here because I called my teacher stupid, ugly, horrible teacher because she forced me to come back to school at June 22nd. Oh, Dark cat was a tiger. How dare you call your teacher a stupid, ugly, horrible teacher? That's it. You're suspended for two 2 days. Go, go home right now. I get ready to go to summer school. Dark cat was a tiger. We can't believe you misbehaved at your last day of school. That's it. You are grounded until you become 22 years old. Go upstairs you right now. Go to summer school.